Good to see you. It's Kennedy coming up in this very special edition of Alternative Nation because it is the weekend. We have buzz clip from Spearhead, U2, a buzz clip from Better Than Ezra, and right now, my very favorite video director, I've got to say, is Freckles Flynn. And I've been waiting for something from Freckles for quite some time, and luckily right now we have an MTV premiere starring Elijah Wood from The War. You remember him, very cute, sweet boy. This one is from the Cranberries. Check out the MTV premiere of Ridiculous Thoughts. Roll it, boys. Hi there, how are you? It's Kennedy, and guess what we have coming up? A little bit of U2 off of the Batman Forever soundtrack. You know what? The movie comes out tomorrow. Go see it. Let me know how it is. You know what I'm saying, baby? Their very first release was an EP, a 3-song EP entitled U2 3, which was a big hit for them back in Ireland. And that was in 1979. Of course, it's 1995. And the boys just keep getting better. You know what I'm saying? Little animation, little Macfisto. It's a good bat time. Stay here. U2's on the way. Hi there, it's Kennedy hanging out with the schmaltz and the musica at the MTV Beach House. People, Michael, clap, clap. Hello, honey, we're trying to do a production here. Thank you very much. Okay, great. People don't listen to me. Seltzer, PA, can I have some seltzer? Stay here, we have more Alternative Nation on the way. Any time now is good, thank you. This is the Silicone Hungry Whale. Where's he going? Oh my God! To the Baywatch house! Ah! Silicone Hungry Whale! Oh, he's gone. Okay. Hey, saline, pardon me. Saltwater, like the ocean. Come on, bring it home to mama. You know these. Okay, point is, since we've been out to the beach house, the quality of mail has not been as spectacular as it has been in the past. Therefore, we haven't been able to bring you. Look at the size of that wave, honey. We haven't been able to bring you. Damn it. Okay, yeah. Okay, fake the earthquake. Woohoo! Yeah, laugh, laugh. We haven't been able to bring you good letter segments, so please write us good letters to Kennedy's Little Mailbox, 1515 Broadway, 4th floor, New York, 10036, and of course, through email. It's mtvslave@aol.com, and you can always reach us through the MTV Beach House. It's a big MTV Beach House thing on America Online. So there you go. Stay here. The hits continue on the Alternative Nation. Thank you very much. Whoop-bam! That was Michael Franti. The rest of Spearhead. Hole in the bucket, you know. I know that you can, you understand what it's like when there's a hole in the bucket and nothing will fill it except maybe you and me here. Stay here. Here's Soundgarden with Black Hole Sun. Ready? Okay, on the way we have the third album from the Catherine Wheel, Happy Days. Not the album. We've got the first video off of that, directed by Mark Pellington and the boys from the Catherine Wheel. Oh, they are going to be here Saturday night on Alternative Nation, our very special 2-hour edition. So tune in for that, don't forget. And we're going to be coming to you live-ish from the K-Rock 3rd Annual Weenie Roast and Sing-Along. It's a big concert, and it's here in Los Angeles, so we're going to give you some footage from that on Monday. So tune in Saturday night at midnight and Monday night at midnight. I'll see you later. Catherine Wheel's next. Bye. That's for you. Bye-bye.